Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. This is class 8 science lesson number 3, that is synthetic fibers and plastic. In this video, we are going to discuss about different type of synthetic fibers. Before seeing this video, go through my previous videos, then only you will get the continuity. At the same time, please subscribe our channel Nirja Education. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Here, we are going to discuss about different types of synthetic fibers. Many types of synthetic fibers are available. In that, 4 are very important. One is rayon, another one is nylon, the third one is polyester and acrylic. There are the 4 different type of synthetic fibers. So these 4 is very important synthetic fibers. Each and everything we are going to discuss in detail. First we are going to discuss about rayon. It is the first synthetic fiber. It is made up of natural substances, that is cellulose. So I told already, this rayon is made from natural substances. You might have arise some question, you might have getting some confusion. Madam, you told synthetic fibers are made up of chemical substances, only chemicals. How the rayon is made from? Because what happens, certain synthetic fibers are prepared by the help of natural along with certain chemical substances. So the rayon is that category. Right, it is made from the natural material is called cellulose. So where does the cellulose is obtained? Means this cellulose is obtained from wood pulp. So this wood pulp first dissolve in an alkaline solution. What is alkaline solution? Means basic solution ke andar they will put inside the wood pulp. So this wood pulp will be dissolved and make a thick liquid. This thick liquid passed into the fine porous to make a fiber. Once again I repeat, this rayon is made from the cellulose substances. That cellulose is prepared from the wood pulp. This wood pulp is dissolved in the alkaline solution. So it convert into thick liquid. That thick liquid is passed into the fine porous to make a fiber. This fiber, after harden the fiber, it passed to the bath of sulfuric acid. First they put it into the basic, now they are added into this. The fine fibers are added into the, after harden, they added into the sulfuric acid solution. After that, they spun into the yarn and woven into cloth. This way they prepare the rayon. This rayon is started producing from since 1880 in France. It is also called artificial fiber. This rayon is also called artificial fiber. Why we are telling it is artificial fiber? Means it is similar like silk. At the same time, resemblance to silk, at the same time we can get in different colors. It can be dyed in different colors. So that it is called as a artificial silk. What is the other name of rayon? That is a artificial silk. It is very less expensive. Compare than silk, it is very less expensive also. Next we are going to discuss about properties of rayon. Rayon is a good absorbent. What is mean by good absorbent? It absorbs the sweat very nicely. It does not shrink. Second character is it does not shrink. The first character, good absorbent. Second one is it does not shrink. And it gives cool to wear, and even summer season also we can wear the rayon. Normally summer season we used to wear cotton clothes, natural fiber cloth only. Even rayon also we can wear because it gives cool effect. It appearance like a silk. We are telling rayon is a artificial silk. So these are the properties of rayon. Once again I repeat, good absorbent, does not shrink, it absorbs sweat very fastly, it gives cool to wear, even summer season also, it looks like a silk. Next, advantages of rayon. What are the advantages? It absorbs sweat, it is even used in summer season also. Right? This is the main. We can get in a different colors because it is available different colors in less expensive also. Next, what are the uses? It is widely used to making dress material. Textile industry. This rayon is using many type of dress materials we can prepare by the help of this rayon. Next one is even it helps to making for carpet, bed sheet, curtains, everything. That is the second use. The first use, it helps to prepare different type of dress material. Second, it helps to prepare different type of carpets, bed sheet and curtains. Even it is used to prepare bandage cloth. bandage cloth after wound or any scratches, we are applying the white color bandage cloth. That bandage cloth is prepared from rayon. The last one is, it is used in tire industry for manufacturing of tire cord. So tire cord is made from this rayon. These are the different uses of rayon. I hope you have understood what is rayon, why we are telling rayon is an artificial fiber, what are the properties of rayon and its uses. Next we are going to discuss about nylon. The nylon is a world fully accepted first synthetic fiber. Rayon also first synthetic fiber, but it does not accepted worldwide. But the nylon is accepted, the first synthetic fiber accepted by throughout the world. So that it was the world fully synthetic fiber. It was developed by US scientist that is called Wallace H. Carothers and his associate first discovered this nylon in year 1931. It was produced from 3 different substances, that is a coal, air and water, along with agriculture byproducts. The name nylon comes from the fact it was developed in New York and London. So the NY, that is a word, NY for New York, LON for London. It is was developed from the place. It resembles like silk as well as wool, but rayon resembles like silk because it is appearance, the cloth appearance is like resembles to silk. At the same time we can prepare in different dye, but the nylon also, it resembles like 2 different substances, one is silk, another one is wool. It is made from polyamide substances. So the polyamide is a polymer, it is made up of amide, the amide is a monomer. This nylon is very strong, at the same time very popular cloth making substances. The nylon cloth is very popular. Next we are going to discuss about the properties of nylon. Nylon is very strong and it has high tensile. What is mean by tensile means ductility. We can make a thin sheet also. So that type of flexibility this nylon is having. Once again I said that is the properties of nylon, very strong and it has high tensile. Tensile means ductile. We can make a fine thread also. And at the same time good strength also. And next point is, it is very shiny and it gives elastic flexibility or elasticity. Lightweight also this is. Properties of nylon, it is very strong, it has high tensile. What is mean by tensile means, we can make fine thread like structure also, that is called the ductility. Tensile means we can make a fine thread, that is called a ductile. So this nylon is ductile in nature and it gives more strength also. And next point is, it is very shiny and elastic. Third one is, it is very lightweight. We can easily carry from one place to another place. Next, it absorbs less water, but it dries quickly. That is the next property. Absorb water less and dries quickly. It is easily washable, wrinkle free and no need to iron. So maintenance is very easy. These are the different properties of nylon. Once again I tell, very strong, ductile in nature, it is very shiny and elastic. Easy to maintain, no need to iron, it absorbs less water and dries quickly. These are the different properties of nylon. Next we are going to discuss about uses of nylon. This nylon is used for different purposes. The first one is making of cloth and dress material like tracksuit, socks, swimwears, raincoat, etc. And different type of dress material also prepared from this nylon. At the same time, it also used to make the curtains and bed sheet, etc. Nylon is also helps to prepare rope and parachute, fishing net, toothbrush, car belt, car seat, belt and different type of materials also it is prepared by the help of this nylon. At the same time, this nylon helps to prepare different type of machinery parts also. These are the different uses of nylon. Once again I repeat, nylon helps for different purpose, making of cloth, making of different dress materials like track shoot or swimwears, socks, stockings, etc. etc. Even it helps to make different type of curtains as well as bed sheet. Even it helps to make rope. Another one is parachute for making also this nylon is using, and fishing net also prepared from the nylon. Even umbrellas, tire, everything is prepared from nylon. Even this nylon, it helps to maintain or prepare different type of machinery parts also. I hope you have understood what is rayon, what are the different properties of rayon and uses. Same way nylon and different properties and uses also. Thank you. Have a nice day.